This is a great cleaning tool I picked up from DareBuilt on Amazon some time ago. Made of solid 100% stainless steel, I use it at the end of every pizza session with my Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. The end has a sharp lip on it that easily scrapes up any messes you may have created with spilled toppings when launching your pizza. DareBuilt can be found on Amazon Canada and Amazon USA. You may know them from their wide variety of pizza steels, which are the best-selling steels in Canada. You'll find these on their Amazon store. Come on over to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel for lots of pizza videos. Thanks for watching.